It can be incredibly frustrating to see your iPhone 14's battery drain rapidly when connected to Wi-Fi. The constant power drain often stems from software bugs, Wi-Fi issues, or bandwidth-hungry apps in the background. By taking the proper troubleshooting steps, you can remediate excessive battery usage over Wi-Fi. Before we continue, please take a moment to like our video or share it with your friends who may be having issues with their devices. It would be a great help to us. Now let's get started with our tips. Adjust auto-update settings. Apps set to automatically update in the background whenever Wi-Fi is connected can constantly draw extra battery power. It is best to disable auto-updates for apps you rarely use. To control automatic updates, navigate to the Settings section and tap on the App Store option. From there, you can temporarily turn off app updates. Disabling auto-updates prevents unnecessary activity whenever connected to Wi-Fi that may be draining your battery. After a few days, you can enable the feature back, especially if this has no bearing on your device's battery usage. Turn off iCloud backup on Wi-Fi. Constant iCloud backups running whenever your iPhone 14 joins Wi-Fi can quickly drain the battery. You can disable Wi-Fi backups temporarily. To turn off Wi-Fi backups, begin by navigating to Settings. Once there, click on your profile name and select iCloud. From there, go to iCloud Backup and disable both Backup This iPhone and Backup Over Cellular toggles. This will stop excessive backups over Wi-Fi, which should help improve battery life. Remember to re-enable periodic backups for security. Update to the latest iOS version. To prevent battery drain over Wi-Fi due to bugs, it's recommended to install the latest iOS update if a patch has been released. Keeping your iPhone 14 software updated is essential for optimal performance. To get the latest iOS version, simply go to Settings, then General, and select Software Update. Tap on Download and Install if there's an update, and wait for the update to complete fully. After that, make sure to reboot your iPhone before testing the Wi-Fi battery drain again. Apple is continually optimizing power efficiency with iOS improvements, so updating is always advised. Forget weak Wi-Fi networks. Connecting to a Wi-Fi network with a weak router signal forces the iPhone to keep boosting power to maintain the connection, which drains the battery faster. You should forget any saved Wi-Fi networks with consistently poor signals. To accomplish this task, navigate to Settings and then select Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the information icon located beside the network you want to modify. Finally, choose the option, Forget this network. Stick to networks that show at least a 50% signal strength for optimal battery efficiency. These procedures can fix battery drain related to Wi-Fi usage. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.